Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel. Ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo At My Worst by Pink Sweets. Nasa standard tuning tayo and gumamit ako ng capo on 5th fret. Let's start! First chord na ginamit ko is the G. Next chord is the E minor 7. Next is A minor 7. Alam nyo na yan. Sa basic chord, last chord na ginamit ko is the D major 7. So, yun lang. And then, paano yung plucking part? So, may nilagay akong tabs sa screen and first time kong gumawa. So, sana makuha nyo yung mga pinagsasabi ko. So, as you can see, yung number sa taas na 3, yung first number, yan yung first string natin. Okay. And then, sa baba ng number 3 is the second string, third, fourth, fifth, and 6th string. So, magkaiba. Alternate yung pag mga sinasabi ko. So, yung first is 3 and 5. Ano ibig sabihin ng number sa tabs? Yung numbers sa tabs is number ng fret. So, pag sinabing 3, first string, 3rd fret. Next is 5, first string, 5th fret. So, yun lang. And then, after that, 3, 0, 3. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pindot mo ng sabay. And sabay mo siyang pipindutin. Okay? And then, next is 0. Siya lang mag-isa. And then, kung nakikita nyo sabay mo, naka-inline siya ng numbers, is ibig sabihin yan, sabay mong pipindutin. Okay? So, ganun lang. Feeling ko makukuha nyo yan kasi may guide kayo sa tabs. Dahan-dahanin ko. So, yun lang. And you come and then can you be my lover? Baro yung strumming pattern niya. So, ganito lang yun. Every time na mag first chord ako, sample G. Okay? Pinapluck ko muna yung bass. And then, sinasabay ko yung strum tong tatlong string ng first, second, and third. Ten, ten, ten. First chord is G. So, yung bass nyo is G. Yung 6th string. And then next chord, E minor 7, open mo lang. Okay? Next chord is A minor 7. Bass nyo is yung A, 5th string. And then A minor 7 ka. Last chord is the D. So, yung bass mo, open pa rin. And then, chord ka ng D major. And then, way ng strumming ng kantang to. So, pero kung nahihirapan kayo, you just strum lang ng yung mga pang beginner strumming. So, tang tang ting, tang 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 tang, can you be my friend? Can you be my lover? Yun lang. Basic strumming. Sa lahat ng strumming yan yung pwede nyong ma-apply sa lahat ng kanta. So, it depends. So, pero mas maganda kung papracticein nyo to. Ito yung pinaka-basic.